Dad, look, I got all A's this term.
That's good. You're supposed to.
Next time, A minor.
Good, that's amazing. We have to lucky for you.
He never is.
Dad, look, I didn't fail this time. My math grade went up.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm so proud of you, kiddo. Let's go to the Jollibee to celebrate.
Jollibee, you're just passing. You're so lucky, man.
You're right, my dad is a good.
Works so hard, but it's never enough for him. Why does he care more about Daddy's memory?